Okay, hello guys. So today I'm just going to show you how to do sync movement smooth. Your arm should be basically like this, right? You all have been seeing this, I'm sure. Like this. Stutter. And we all do not like that when we all stuttered it. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to not stutter, how to clean up some blocks if it's messy. Yeah, so watch till the end to find out how to do these things. So first, get this out of here. Nice. Now follow my steps. 11, 10, all of them intonated. Let me just put those things, and I will 10 what these basically do. And boom, I should be going without a stutter now. And what do these do? I'm telling you. Especially this one, which is the most tricky part. So if you see here, when the green flag is clicked, which is basically this, like this red and this green, it's basically comparing to that, go to X0, which is right over here. Like if we all know what's X and Y. Y is basically the length and X is basically the width. So the width of this is basically 250. We are going to put that in 0, and this should be, and we are going to put this at 0, like midden. Then why do we need forever and if then? This is going to be the most tricky part in the area. So forever, basically it detects every time. It detects every time. And then if we have a if then key, so you can see when it wants to detect. So if key space press, so if you're pressing space, then what happens? Change X by 10, and that basically nets us to this. And why you think why do we need forever, but you can't just do like without forever? Now let me show you guys if it actually works. I'm pressing space right now and it's not working. And the reason is that forever lets us detect every time. When we use it without the forever, it was like, so when I used it without the forever, it basically detects at the starting, but not at the middle or the end. So if you just try to do it, it won't work. It just won't work. It just won't work. But if you do it forever, it will detect at the starting, middle, ending, anytime. Anytime you want. Look, I'm just going to leave it for 10 seconds. 5 seconds, I guess. Okay, because I was not moving. It's now the middle time. And I can still move it. It's all because of this forever block. So please do not forget to put the forever when you're doing this. And I am just saying, it's not necessary to just put space. You can put any of these. Your wish, your choice. It's Scratch. Now let's see how to clean up blocks. So let's go. Let's just take some random blocks. Very dirty. Look at this. Ew. Disgusting. Disgusting. This is so disgusting. We have to make it like go and clean. So what you're doing is click. But you can say duplicate, add comment and delete. Because I clicked it on the block. Click it on the white area. So now it shows undo, redo, clean up blocks, add comment, delete 6 blocks. Delete is when you can delete on the blocks. Scratch says delete on 6 blocks. Okay. And boom, our blocks are deleted. But if we just put those 6 blocks back, let me just do that. Now if we press the right of our mouse and see clean up blocks, press it and we have it on a straight line. It's so clean. We have space for more coding, and yes, this is how we need it, and you can just put it back on back, and this allows us to basically clean it, because it would be dirty right now, but now it's clean. It's which I actually like to see. Clean, very clean, very. Now I'm just going to tell you how to go up this by using what I taught you, and I'm going to tell a quicker way to do this, way quicker way than you guys may think. You guys are just going to do this, right? Let me just go zoom back. Now go to 0 0 like this. So you guys are going to do like this, right? But I can tell a quicker way, like forever, if then, takes so much time. Is there any quicker way? Okay, you have to do one coding of it, and then I'm going to tell you the way. So look, I'm done one coding, but you have to do the same coding again, put if then, space, blah blah blah. You're not doing that. You do this and duplicate it. So we have another part of this now. Now we can just stop this, and instead of that, just I haven't put two commands here, right arrow, left arrow. Left arrow is going to get the negative, and you guys may think, what should I do for that? But instead, what you can do is remove this for now. Don't remove it fully. So change y by, and then duplicate this. Woohoo! You guys may think like, why am I duplicating this? Just trust the process. Now you have 2 y's, 2 x. Okay? Now just put this back over here. Remove this. Left arrow, right arrow. Now what you can do is remove this, put this back. Now I can put a -10. So this left arrow goes this way, right arrow goes up. Wait, right arrow should not go up, it should be up arrow. This should go down and this should go right. Now if you see, we have made a fully working movement scratch. So finally I can move my scratch anywhere I want. In the end of the thing, in this end, this end, this end, any end of this. It's on your creativity. And variables is an important part of this. And I will tell you one simple thing, how to make a timer and when to stop a timer. It's very easy, so stay tuned. Now let's go to backdrops. Let's stop it for now. Now go to events. Go when green flag clicked. Then we go to variables, this area, and you even see my variable. Just remove that and make a variable. And this variable will be available for on sprites. Yes, you have to at least do that. You will get 2 options when you make it. But because I have no variables, it will be like this. So now I'm going to make one which is going to be timer. So now you have my timer. Look, now if I make a... And for backdrops only it shows for on. But if you make for sprite, it will show 2 options. For on sprites, for this sprite only. Okay, but for now we have to make only for backdrops. So what we do is set timer to 0, then take a forever block, and then we do, there's a wait right here, wait for 1 second, and then change by timer by 1. So what this allows us, and if you want to see the timer, make sure to put on the tick. If there's no tick, no timer. There's a tick, then yes, timer. Now just wait. You can move your Scratch project and you can see the timer running. But what if you want to stop it at a specific time, which is like 10, 5? We can make a coding for that too. Go to if then block, take this block, and now go to operators. You will see this block, okay? Dash, which is nothing, greater than 50. Take that, nested element, and now let's go to variables, take a timer block, and if you want to do it at 5, instead of putting 5 here, you put 4. You will see why. Now if you want to stop the whole game on that specific time, then just do stop on. Yes. Now when it goes to 5 seconds, this game is going to be stopped. Boom. And just to prove you guys, I'm moving my character like a spring run, and boom, it got stuck. I was moving it in a spiral way, but it got stuck because the timer hit 5. And why you guys think, and I will actually tell out the meanings of this thing, this coding. So when the green flag is clicked, set timer to 0, which allows us to make this 0. Now forever, wait 1 second to change to the timer of 1. So if it was put 1, it won't do like that. So that's why you have to wait 1 second so it actually understands the thingy. And then when you wait 1 second, change timer by 1. If now this block is going to be handy over here, because if you put the timer lesser than 4, so that means lesser than 4, lesser than 4 stop on. I mean greater than 4 stop on. Okay, then if it's everything is greater than 4, then you have to stop it. Stop the coding. So this is basically greater than. Now stop on. So you have to put that, and then it can stop your Scratch project. Like I'm moving my sprite in a spiral way, but I can't move it anymore. It's on because of stop on. Stop on is the ability to stop your Scratch project in any times. You can use it anytime, and it will stop your Scratch project. Yes, it stops your Scratch project. And you can use this for your timing games like hide and seek and anything you want. So yeah, in this video I teach you what this coding does and how to make it an easier way by just duplicating. And I teach you this, and I also teach you this thingy. If you scramble it, then how you can do it, clean up blocks. And this is a very good way. The clean up blocking thing I used is actually a very good way, and it's comfortable for your Scratch projects. So that's all for today, and stay tuned for more videos. Hit that ring button, hit the subscribe button, and then hit that ring bell button so you won't miss any more videos. And those are 3 tips in